5 mistakes beginners make when trying to make money online. So, you want to make money online. Maybe you've seen people earning from YouTube, freelancing, or affiliate marketing, and you're wondering, how can I start too? Well, that's a great question. But before you jump in, it's important to avoid the common mistakes most beginners make, because these mistakes can waste your time, your effort, and even your motivation. In this video, I'll show you 5 major mistakes beginners make when trying to make money online and how you can avoid them. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Trying too many things at once. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. They start a YouTube channel today, then jump into crypto tomorrow, then start learning affiliate marketing next week. The result? They end up confused, tired, and with no results. Online success needs focus. Pick one method, maybe YouTube, freelancing, or selling digital products, and give it your full attention for at least a few months. Remember, you can make money doing many things online, but you can't do all of them at the same time. Mistake 2. Expecting quick results. Many beginners expect to make big money within a few days or weeks. They start watching videos titled, "Make $500 in one day," and when it doesn't work for them, they give up. The truth is, real online income takes time. You have to learn, practice, and stay consistent. If you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business. But if you treat it like a quick hustle, it will disappear like one. Be patient, stay focused, your time will come. Mistake 3. Failing for scams. Scammers know that beginners are desperate to make money fast. So they post fake investment sites, fake trading apps, and fake mentors. They promise, invest 10,000 Naira today and withdraw 50,000 Naira tomorrow. But in the end, you lose your money. Always remember this. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to legal and trusted ways to earn online, like freelancing, YouTube, affiliate marketing, or selling your skills. Mistake 4. Not building skills. Most people want to make money online, but very few want to learn skills that make it possible. You can't earn as a freelancer if you can't write, design, or edit videos. You can't grow a YouTube channel if you don't understand content and consistency. Skills are the foundation of online income. Every successful person you see online started by learning. So instead of chasing money, start chasing skills. Money will follow you naturally. Mistake 5. Giving up too soon. Let's be honest, you will fail sometimes. You'll make videos nobody watches. You'll apply for freelance jobs and get no reply. But that doesn't mean you're not good enough. It just means you're still learning. Success online doesn't come overnight. It comes to those who keep improving and never give up. If you stay consistent, even for 4 to 6 months, you'll start seeing results that others gave up on. So, let's recap. The 5 mistakes beginners make when trying to make money online are: 1. Trying too many things at once. 2. Expecting quick results. 3. Falling for scams. 4. Not building skills. 5. Giving up too soon. Avoid these mistakes and you'll move faster than 90% of people starting today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family for safety. This is Netcash Secret, helping you turn your phone into a source of income. See you in the next video.